Lanicom po o Flanicom Views. Sama-sama nating i-experience ang isang quick look inside the box on Infinix Zero 8. Now, we will unbox at i-check out natin ano si Infinix Zero 8. Ang Infinix Zero 8, the extraordinary Vision Master. It is a phone from Infinix that will give you a great visual experience, from a fluid display, stunning looks, and great set of cameras. Ito ay isang device na designed to be enjoyed visually by your eyes. As we look at the box, simula na ito ng ating visual experience ni Zero 8, with a reflective silver color at rainbow colors na lumalabas pag naiilawan. Kita natin dito ang Infinix logo, ang Zero, at ang diamond shape number 8. Sa ilalim ng box, makikita natin ang notable specifications offered by Zero 8. This phone is filled with great hardware that makes the phone a great competitor in the mid-range arena. And here are some notable specs ni Infinix Zero 8. Ang 6.85-inch display with 90Hz refresh rate, 4 na cameras at the back, and 2 cameras in front. We will check this out later in a while. Ang processor na Helio G90T, 8GB of RAM with 128GB storage, 4000 mAh battery with 33W supercharge, and cooling technology para hindi sobrang uminit ang phone. Buksan na natin ang box. Sa loob ng box, the first we see ay ang Infinix Zero 8 phone. Next ang black sleeve kung saan makikita ang SIM ejector pin, Infinix Zero 8 stickers, warranty forms, ex-club document, at customer service card. Sa next layer naman, nandito ang soft case. Makapal ito and it will protect the camera bump and screen with this case. Sa bottom ng box, ang charging brick, included din ang USB-A to USB-C cable, and lastly, mayroon tayong earphones. May built-in screen protector na rin na nakakabit na sa phone. Kumpleto na ang accessories, gagamitin na lang ito right out of the box. Ito ang Infinix Zero 8. Ang color variant na mayroon tayo ay ang Black Diamond. This phone is visually stunning. Ang body niya is made of plastic and with glossy texture. Nahahati ang design nito into 2 looks, separated by this diamond edge-like design. Sa upper part, medyo frosted ang look, at sa bottom part naman ay reflective like mirror. Both on the upper and lower part may rainbow or prism effect when hit by light. Maganda ang combination ng looks na ito at may enjoy nyo talaga pag tinignan. Ang black color na mayroon tayo ay very classy and it feels premium kahit ang body niya is made of plastic. Sa looks pa lang ng Zero 8, isang visual experience na agad ito. For sure, napansin nyo na ang diamond-shaped camera cluster sa gitna. Again, another visual experience that Zero 8 gives us, the camera. This phone has good set of eyes taking photos and videos. Ito ay may 64-megapixel main AI camera using Sony IMX686 sensor. Other cameras give you several camera tricks using the 8-megapixel ultra-wide, ultra-night video camera, and bokeh camera for subject focusing. Nandito din sa cluster ang LED flash. At ito ang ilan sa mga sample shots taken from Infinix Zero 8. Now, let us go to the front. The front has 6.85 inches display. It is bigger than the average phone screen size ngayong 2020. Maganda ang size na ito for watching videos and playing games. Ito ay may 1080p Full HD Plus at 392 pixel per inch. Ang ibig sabihin nito, mas malinaw and detailed ang mga images na makikita natin sa phone na ito. Lastly, what makes the display special is the 90Hz refresh rate. Zero 8 is one of the few phones na may more than 60Hz refresh rate. Ibig sabihin nito, mas smooth ang animation as you navigate sa menus, scrolling sa apps and social media, and on some games. With this display setup, it is another extraordinary visual experience that Zero 8 is showcasing to us. While talking about display, for sure napansin nyo ang hole on the display on the upper part corner. This is for the 2 front cameras, one 48 megapixel at 8 megapixel ultra-wide. It produces great photos for selfies at high pixel count, and ultra-wide, useful for group selfies. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa insides ng Infinix Zero 8. Ang processor na gamit niya ay ang Helio G90T, the core of an incredible gaming experience ayon kay MediaTek. As initially tested, it runs well on major games na graphically intense. Madami din na games ang compatible dito sa processor na ito. As you can see, I was able to play Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG with smooth gameplay. It can also play League of Legends Wild Rift and Mobile Legends very well. Wala akong masyado napapansin na lag as I play. Finally, it can do Genshin Impact. With this game's functioning great, we can also assume that it will perform also on other games too. Ngayon pa lang, I'm inviting you to subscribe to Lanicom Views as I will post a gaming sample video soon para ma-view ninyo on how it performs on various games. With a great processor, accompanied with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, it will do very well on our daily communication and multimedia needs. It can connect to 2G, 3G, up to 4G network for calls, messaging, and internet data. A great companion as your personal organizer, your portal to the big world of social media, and it will perform well sa inyong daily mobile applications. It will be a reliable companion dahil meron siyang 4,000 mAh battery that will give you a day or two without worrying na mauubusan kayo ng battery. And the big plus, you can charge and top up your reserved power with a 33-watt supercharger. Kaya nitong ma-charge ang phone from 0 to 100 sa loob ng 1 oras at kalahati. It's quite fast. Okay din ito for quick top-ups. Let us go back sa external or sides ng phone before we wrap up this quick tour. Sa baba, ang headphone port, microphone, USB-C port, and loudspeaker. On the left, the tray of cards that can accommodate 2 SIM cards and a micro SD memory card. On the right, the volume keys and the power button that functions as fingerprint scanner. Ang fingerprint scanner ay very responsive and this is a secured one. And that's it for now mga ka-viewers. Ito ang initial look natin what's in the box of the Infinix Zero 8. Shout out at maraming salamat kay Sir Eric Hipolito, National Sales Head of Infinix Mobile Philippines, for allowing us to experience this phone dito sa Lanicom Views. This video is not sponsored. Ngayon, maaaring maging tanong natin, magkano ito? Sa ngayon, we don't know yet. Kailan ang release date? It is coming soon. We will wait for the news and announcement mula sa Infinix Philippines. Stay tuned dito sa ating channel, subscribe to Lanicom Views, switch on the notifications. In a few days, I will be posting a more in-depth overview video ng Infinix Zero 8. Follow ninyo ang Lanicom Views sa social media pages, on Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. Once na malaman natin ang price and release date, I will let you know. Maraming salamat for watching dito sa ating quick What's in the Box video. Ito ang Infinix Zero 8. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Hanggang sa muli!